how to get free UK number for WhatsApp. So if you want to get free UK number for WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser and search for tempsms.com. After that, verify. Once the verification is successful, now you just need to simply go with the UK flag. So tap on UK and here you will have the instructions. So you need to choose a number from the list of countries. You will receive a verification code. You need to copy the number and paste that number to the desired service where you want and wait for the SMS to appear on the page. The SMS will appear on the page in 60 seconds. So just scroll down and then just copy any number that you're comfortable with. And after that, go to your WhatsApp, paste that number. Once you've pasted, go back to this page and you will have your code right here. And you can also copy the code and paste it right there. That's how you can get free UK numbers for your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.